Hi students, welcome back to MySpace YouTube channel. In this video, class 9th Maths exercise 10.3 all answers and explanations we are doing here. In this exercise 10.3, three questions are there. Let us do the first one. Draw different pairs of circle. How many points does each pair have in common? And what is the maximum number of common points? Here we are going to find out the maximum number of common points, and also saying draw different pairs of circle. Let us draw here some pairs of circle. This and this are one pair of circle. This is another pair. This is another pair. This is another pair. Here we have drawn four pairs of circle. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here what is the common point? Is there any common point? No. Here the common point is 0. Here how many common points are there? These two circles touch at only one point. This one common point. Here how many common points are there? Two common square. Here how many common points are there? Two common points. So here look at this pairs of circle. Here the maximum number of common points is 2. 2 is the answer. The maximum number of common point is 2. Okay, this is the question number 1. Then let us do question number 2. What is the question number 2? Suppose you are given a circle, give a construction to find its center. How to find out a circle if how to find out the center of a circle if the one circle is given? Let us find out a circle. Here question number 2. Answer is one circle is given. Find out the center of the circle. How to find out the center of the circle? Here, for finding the center of the circle, first we will draw two chords. Any two chord we are drawing here, anywhere. Here I am drawing this one chord here, and this is here one more chord. First make two chords, then find out the bisector of these two chords. Suppose two chords, the name them is AB, this is PQ. Then we have to bisect this. How to bisect this? Bisect means equally dividing at 90 degree. Bisecting this chord. First I am going to bisect this chord. For bisecting, we use one compass. First we bisect this. Draw the bisector of this. First we draw this bisector of this chord, then draw the bisector of the chord PQ. Taking more than half of this. So here's these two bisector intersect at this point. See, look here. This is the center of this circle, center O. This is the center. In this way, we are finding the center of the circle. First draw two chord, then draw the construct the bisector of these two chord, then the point of intersection of these two bisector is the center of this circle. Like this way we find out the center of the circle. Okay, now second question is completed. Next we are going to the question number 3. Question number 3. Here what is given? Look here, the question number 3. If two circles are intersect at 2 points, prove that their center lies on the perpendicular bisector of the common chord. In this question, if two circles intersect at 2 points, suppose this circle intersects these 2 points, this and these 2 points. Let us mark these 2 points. One is P, other is Q. These two circles intersect at 2 points P and Q. Here we have to prove here, when it is intersect here, it is a common chord. If we join this, that is a common chord. Here see, the PQ is a common chord. PQ is a chord of the first circle. Let us name this. This is circle A. This is circle B. Two circles are there. This is A and B. Here we have to prove that here if we join this, the center of the circle OX, join this center of the circle. The center of the circle joined to this center of the circle. We should prove this. The center of the circle is the bisector, the perpendicular bisector of this chord PQ. The center of this circle, the line segment which is joining between the center of the circle is the perpendicular bisector of the common chord PQ. For proving this, we joined this OP, OQ, OX and PX. We joined this, and the midpoint is M. This marked this point of intersection is M. To prove this, first we are taking the triangle in triangle OPX and OQX. OPX. This triangle OPX and this triangle. Second triangle is OQX. OP is equal to OQ. OP and OQ are equal because radius of the same circle. Now second, PX is equal to QX, radius of the same circle, circle B. Then OX is equal to OX, that is common. Here we got the three sides are equal in this triangle. So this triangle is congruent by SSS. This triangle is congruent. These two triangles are congruent by SSS. We first we proved that. From this, what we got? We got angle POX. POX. This angle is equal to angle QOX. This angle, this and this are equal. First we proved that these two angles are equal. We proved here these two angles are equal. Then we are taking the next two triangle POM and QOM. POM, this triangle, only this much, this part, POM, and this triangle OQM, these two small triangle. OP is equal to OQ, radius of the same circle. Then angle POM is equal to QOM. We proved here. Then OM is equal to OM. So we can say these two triangle, this triangle and this are congruent. By which congruent rule? SAS. Two sides and included angle are equal to each other. So this triangle, these two triangles are congruent. So we can say PM is equal to QM. Now what we got? We got QM and PM are equal. PM is equal to QM. That is the corresponding part of the congruent circle. If these two sides are equal, then which means this code PQ is divided equally by the line segment which is joining between center of these two circles. So from here we can say that OX is the perpendicular bisector of PQ. That we have proved here, because in theorem 10.4 is saying the line drawn through a center of the circle to bisect a chord is the perpendicular to the chord. If this line segment which is joining between the center of the two circles is passing through the center of the chord, then we can say this is the perpendicular bisector. If it is equally dividing, which means that will be perpendicular, so it is proved OX is the perpendicular bisector of PQ. So this exercise 3 questions are completed. I hope you understood this very clearly, and students, please subscribe this channel, then you will get all my classes, all exercise of class 9th and 10th, each and every questions and their answers, explanation and answer will be available in this Mathspace YouTube channel. So thank you for watching this. Please subscribe this channel. Thank you.